Everyone, it's Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your DLC and your add-ons on your PlayStation 5 account. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to just the game library, and then go up, and then we can go to your collection, and we can just simply find the game under here. So there's one game specifically, I have a bunch of DLC, and this is Black Ops 3. So I'm just going to type that in under search, Black Ops, and then go to Black Ops 3. So here it is. Now, I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to select the game page and then scroll on down. And we want to go to the add-on section and then go to the right and then go to view all add-ons. And then we can buy things under here and we can see everything we bought. So here's the Eclipse DLC. So you can see I purchased this and I just have to download it now. And I bought this one here also. So this is like a map pack with 5 different maps. And then they added a bunch of coins and stuff in here, the currency. So if you have DLC, it should be under the add-on section. Or sometimes if you are going to download it, so if I go to download, it'll give me the option to download DLC as well. So, or any additional thing that you can download should show up under there as well. So if you don't find it under maybe the add-on section, you can try just going to the download section to see if it pops up under there. But most of the time, your DLC will just be listed there, somewhere under this game page, under add-on. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.